Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. So today I'll be showing you how to make this lovely bikini bottom. It's a beginner friendly with straps. So the materials you'll need are right here, and you'll use tape measure to measure the crochet area. That's the distance between this part here up to the end. You can also use your available bikini bottom so that you can measure. So you'll begin with making a slip knot. And you'll make chains of 8. So that will be the foundation chain. I'm making for size medium, so I'll chain 8 to chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Just chain until you have 8 chains for size medium. So I have 8 chains. Chain 1 more, then we'll do double crochet throughout the chain. On the second chain from the hook, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2. Again, make double crochet until you reach the end. I'm at the end of round 1. To begin on round 2, chain 1, turn your work. You're going to make double crochet on the first stitch. Make double crochet on the second stitch until you reach at the end of the round 2. I'll meet you again. Don't forget the last stitch, it might be small. Make sure you have 8 stitches. On round 3, you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. We're going to make 5 rows of double crochet before we start increasing. So just make 5 rows of double crochet. I have 5 rows already. Now we're going to begin increasing. Chain 1, turn your work. We're going to make 1 double crochet on the first stitch. Then we are going to increase on the second. So on the second we are going to make 2 double crochets. That's 1, the second one. Now continue making double crochets until you reach second last stitch. So here we're going to increase on the second stitch and on the second last stitch. On the second last stitch you'll make 2 double crochets. Then don't forget the last stitch, it might be small. don't forget about it. So we are going to increase on the second stitch and on the second last stitch on every row until you have a total of 17 rows of increase. 17 rows of increase. So this is the second row of increase, so make sure you have 17 of them. I'll meet you when you have 17 rows of increase. So I have my 17 rows of increase from where we started. We started increasing on row 6. So if you count from row 6, right here, so you count 1, 2, 3, 4 until you have 17 of them. Yeah. So we are going to do 2 more rows of no increase. 2 more rows of no increase. So chain 1, turn on your work. So you're going to make just 1 double crochet on every stitch without increasing. So you're gonna make 2 rows of this. 1 double crochet on each stitch, not increasing for the last 2 rows. I'll meet you when you have 2 rows done. Okay. I'm done with my 2 rows of no increase. Now I'm going to chain 1 and cut off your yarn. Now we're going to make the back side of the bikini. On the 8th stitch, you're going to attach your yarn. We're done with the front part, so we're making the back part. Attach your yarn, chain 1, because that's the 8th stitch. We're going to make a double crochet on the same space. We have to make sure we have 8 stitches at the end of the row before we start increasing. Make the first double crochet. So you're going to double crochet until you reach the end of the row. At the end of the row, just make sure you have 8 stitches. To begin on the next round, chain 1, turn your work, put 1 double crochet on the first stitch and increase on the second. So we're going to put 2 double crochets on the second stitch. Continue double crocheting until you reach second last stitch. You're going to put 2 double crochets on the second last stitch and 1 double crochet on the last stitch. Second round, you're going to chain 1, turn your work. We continue with the increase, so put 1 double crochet on the first stitch, 2 double crochets on the second stitch, then when you reach the second last stitch, you're going to do the increase again. So you're gonna repeat this until you have a total of 21 rows of increase. So I'll meet you when you have 21 rows of increase. I have my 21 rows of increase. Now we're going to do 2 more rows of no increase. 2 more rows of no increase. Now chain 1, turn your work. We're not going to increase on the remaining 2 rows. So you're going to do, oops. One double crochet on the first stitch until you reach the end, then you come back again. So make sure you have 2 rows of no increase, and I'll meet you back again. Done with my 2 rows of no increase. Now we're going to do single crochet all around. Now you're going to put 1 single crochet, chain 1, do 1 single crochet on the first space and on top of the chain 3 space, on the chain 3 space, on top of the chain 3. So you're going to do like that until you reach the end. Single crochet on the first space, on top of the chain 3 space, on the chain 3 space, on top of the chain 3, on the chain 3. Just repeat that until you reach the end. Now you're going to do that. When you reach at the corner, you're going to make 2 single crochet in every corner. Then you continue with single crochet. Reaching at the corner, you make 2 single crochets, on every corner you do 2 single crochets. So single crochet until you come back to where you started, then you chain 1, cut off your yarn. Now I have my complete project. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make straps, 2 straps for both sides, 2 straps for the sides. Yeah, so you'll chain 125. As for me, I'll do 125. You can chain as much as you want, either 150, 160, whichever the number. So I'll chain 125, 2 of them for both sides. Then I'll meet you again. Okay, I did with different colors since I ran out of the other color. So we're going to attach the straps on the sides. So you're going to attach them on the first row, this chain 3 space, and on the second or on the third, whichever the row you want yours to reach. Attach them, yeah, on both sides. Then you're going to tie, then cut off the hanging yarn, and that will be the end of our amazing bikini button. Please, if you love this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, share, turn on the notification bell so that you can watch more of my coming projects. Please like the video, subscribe. I'll meet you again in my next video. Thank you. Bye.